Hey there, crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into. How to research cryptocurrencies like a professional. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a crypto newbie, conducting thorough research is essential in this fast-paced world of digital assets. So let's get started and level up your crypto research game. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of research techniques, let's briefly discuss why conducting research is crucial when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional financial markets, the crypto space is highly volatile and often influenced by various factors, including technological advancements, regulatory changes, and market sentiment. Failing to research properly can lead to costly mistakes and missed opportunities. The first step to researching cryptocurrencies like a pro is to understand the basics. This includes grasping the fundamentals of blockchain technology, consensus mechanisms, and the purpose behind each cryptocurrency. Without a solid foundation, navigating the vast crypto landscape can be overwhelming. White papers are the backbone of any cryptocurrency project. They provide in-depth information about the technology, use cases, and the team behind the project. As a professional researcher, it's crucial to analyze these white papers critically. Look for transparency, technical feasibility, and real-world applications. The team behind a cryptocurrency project plays a vital role in its success. Investigate the team's experience, credentials, and involvement in the crypto community. Engage with the project's online communities to gauge the community's sentiment, as a strong and supportive community can indicate a healthy project. Market analysis involves studying the historical price movements, trading volumes, and market capitalization of the cryptocurrency you are interested in. Tools like technical analysis and market indicators can help you spot trends and potential entry or exit points. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies. Research the security measures implemented by the project to safeguard user funds and data. Additionally, keep an eye on the development progress and updates. Actively developed projects are more likely to adapt to changing market conditions. Cryptocurrencies are subject to different regulatory environments worldwide. Stay informed about the regulations governing cryptocurrency in your country and the project's home country. Compliant projects are generally more reliable in the long run. Congratulations, you've now learned how to research cryptocurrencies like a professional. Remember, conducting thorough research is an ongoing process, and staying up to date with the latest news and development is essential. Armed with this knowledge, you can make more informed decisions and navigate the crypto market with confidence. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy researching and may your crypto ventures be prosperous.